Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my recipe on how to make vegetable soup or stew. This recipe is multi-purpose because you can pair this with your rice or your swallows. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. I just got back home from the market with my vegetables. I'll be using two different vegetables for today's soup recipe. I'll be using ugu leaf, also known as fluted pumpkin, and water leaf. Ever since I started cooking, this will be the very first time I slice my vegetable in the market. I usually get my vegetables from the market, come back home, wash multiple times to get rid of dust, pesticide, and other unwanted particles before proceeding to slice up the vegetables. One of the advantages of slicing your vegetables in the market is that it makes cooking less stressful. If you're planning to cook for an event and you don't have the time to start slicing up the vegetables yourself, you might want to consider slicing it in the market because the sellers are very fast. They are very good at what they do. This is the first water after washing, and you can see how dirty and green it looks. On a closer look, you notice that there is a lot of sand inside this bowl. This is one of the reasons why I don't like slicing my vegetables in the market. Usually, vegetables gotten from the open market comes with a lot of sand. So once you slice the vegetable, it is very difficult to get rid of the sand completely. And I also feel that during the process of washing, some of the nutrients in the vegetable is lost. I don't know how true this is, but I just feel that way. But if you prefer to slice the vegetables in the market, do so. And if you want to slice yours yourself at home, it's up to you. So do whichever one you prefer. I tried as much as possible to wash the vegetable as many times as I could so as to get rid of every sand in it because we don't want to be chewing sand while enjoying our vegetable soup. The second vegetable I have here is water leaf. I'll repeat exactly what I did to the ugu leaf. I'll wash it multiple times to get rid of all the sand and other unwanted particles as much as possible. If you're coming across this channel for the first time today, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. I promise you're going to love it here. Subscription is absolutely free and you get value for your time. So please hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. I'm done washing the vegetables and they are very clean. I will introduce you to some of the ingredients needed to prepare this soup and you get to know the rest as the video progresses, so don't go anywhere and keep watching. This is my ugu leaf, nicely washed. I have this quantity of ugu leaf because I'm making a very big pot of vegetable soup. The next ingredients I have here is onion, blended onion. Feel free to chop yours if that is what you prefer. This is crayfish, grounded crayfish. You need a lot of crayfish when making vegetable soup. Here I have my peppers. This is a combination of tatashi, scotch bonnet pepper. So use as much pepper as is needed. Here I have my ogriokbe, known as fermented locust bean in English. It's a local spice that I love adding into my soups. Now that you're familiar with some of the ingredients, let's get cooking. Into my pot containing heated palm oil, I've just gone in with my blended onions. You don't need to bleach the palm oil, just heat it up and you're good to go. After adding the onions, I'll stir until you properly combine with the palm oil and I'll let it fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. After about 4 minutes, I'll go in with my roughly blended peppers, stir that in to combine as well, and I'll continue to fry. I'll fry this for about 3 minutes. Here's a big shout out to all my amazing and returning subscribers. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for sharing, liking, and leaving me your beautiful comments. You guys are the absolute best and you all hold a special place in my heart. Next ingredient to go in is my ogriokbe, fermented locust bean. I also added some of the grounded crayfish. Once added, I'll stir this in as well and I'll fry for about 2 minutes. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me up to this moment. I hope you're enjoying the recipe so far. Kindly go through the channel to check out other recipe videos. I promise you're going to enjoy watching the recipes. I have lots of amazing and easy food recipes that you want to try out, so please do check them out. Thank you. I've just added my cooked beef. Once added, I'll stir until properly combined. Feel free to use any protein of choice to prepare your vegetable soup or stew. For short videos, kindly check out my YouTube shorts Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. I have lots of delicious food recipes that are a minute long or less on these platforms, and I'm sure you will enjoy watching them. So please search for Oge Anyoko. The handle to search for is Oge Anyoko on TikTok, Oge_Anyoko on Facebook, and on Instagram. Please do well to check out my pages, watch my videos, like, share, and leave me beautiful comments in the comment section. Thank you. After cooking for a few minutes, I tasted off camera and realized I needed to add more salt, so I just added more salt. In goes my water leaf. I'll add the water leaf a little at a time because I have a lot. I need enough room for mixing. So after adding my desired quantity, I'll stir that in before going in with the rest. I'll keep adding the water leaf until I exhaust everything. This is about 4 minutes later, and it's time to add my ugu leaves. I'll add the leaves in batches because this is a lot as well. After adding the ugu leaf, I'll add the rest of the crayfish powder, add my panla fish, also known as hake fish, stir properly to combine, and I'll let this to cook for about 5 minutes. The soup is ready at this point. Once vegetable is added into any soup, you don't have to cook for a long period of time so as not to kill the nutrients in the vegetable. So this soup is as good as ready. 4 minutes later, and I present to you this delicious pot of mouth-watering vegetable soup. What are you bringing to the table? Are you coming with your rice or your swallow? Let me know down in the comments. We've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share it out to your loved ones. Leave me your comments in the comment section, and please subscribe if you're yet to do so. Thank you for stopping by, and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.